Assalamu alaikum. When is the right time to say MashaAllah? You don't say MashaAllah to somebody else. A lot of people make the mistake of saying, say MashaAllah, you seen my stuff, you see my car, you come into my home, you see my kids, say MashaAllah, come into my wedding, say MashaAllah. That's not Sunnat Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. You say MashaAllah for your own stuff. For other people's stuff, make sure you always say Allahumma barik, Tabarakallah. It's a form of dua. So when you see someone else's home, car, kid, anything you like for somebody else or on somebody else, you say Allahumma barik, Allahumma barik lak. For your own things, your own money, your own home, your own kids, your own wife, your own husband, you go home, you see what you like, you say, MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. According to Quran, Surah Al-Kahf, ayah 39, إذ دخلت جنتك قلت ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله. So for your own stuff, you say MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. For other people, you say Allahumma barik lak. That's form of dua for them. Assalamu alaikum.